Okay, the purpose of this lab is to configure TCPIP settings on Windows 10. So the Marketing 6 computer needs to connect to the local network and internet using a static IP address. Marketing 6 also needs to connect to a testing network using a static IP address. The testing network will be set up at a later time. We have already set up and installed the second network card for the testing network. In this lab, our task is to configure the IP version 4 TCPIP settings for both network adapters using these settings. So let's mouse to the internet access icon and we'll right click on it and we'll mouse up to Open Network and Internet Settings and we'll click on Open Network and Internet Settings. And under Change Network Settings, we'll mouse to Change Network Options so we can view network adapters and change connection settings. So we'll click on Change Adapter Options. And I'll scroll up a bit and I see Ethernet and Ethernet 2. I'm going to right click on Ethernet and mouse to Properties. And we want to configure the IP version 4 TCPIP settings. So let's mouse to Internet Protocol version 4, TCPIP version 4, and click on it. And then we'll mouse to Properties and click on Properties. And the default is to obtain an IP address automatically, but we want to specify some static IP addresses. So we'll change this radio button to use the following IP address. And then we'll type in our settings, 192.168.0, and then 254, and 255.255.0 is the correct subnet mask that we want. The default gateway is 192.168.0.5, and our preferred DNS server is 163.128.78.93, and our alternate DNS server is 163.128.80.93. And we'll review all those numbers, and if they look okay, we'll click OK and close. And now we'll do the same process for Ethernet 2. We'll click on it, we'll mouse down to Properties, click on Properties. We want the TCPIP version 4, that's what we want to configure, so we'll click on it and mouse to Properties and click on Properties. We want to use these settings, so we'll mouse to, instead of getting an IP address automatically, we want to specify a specific static IP address. So we'll click on this radio button, and our IP address will be 10.0.255.254. Right. And our subnet mask is 255, and we want this to be 255.0.0. Default gateway, none, and alternative. And preferred DNS server, also none. So we'll click OK and close. And then let's mouse to Score Lab and see how things went. All right, looks good. Thank you for watching.